What's going on, Jules? I am Drew Galaxy for those who are not familiar. And today we have the advent calendar of the Bratz Minis, Series 1, and has one exclusive mini. It says it includes exclusive minis. Now, on the box, it has the letter S at the end of minis, indicating that there is more than one exclusive in this, if that's what we're going by that. So I got this on Amazon. Got this sticker on it. It says I'm the second person to own it. The box arrived just like this. Kind of bad, if I wanted to keep it in the box. Horrible if I wanted to keep it in the box. But I definitely want what's inside, especially because it's not like open and shows you everything. When this product first came out, I saw it listed at $60. I want to say it was like $59.99. If you bought all of these items individually, so in a regular package, you get 2 of them for $10. So 25 times 5, $5 each, is $125. I got this on Amazon for $51 right now. And I guess that's because the box was damaged, like somebody returned it and then they resold it for a couple dollars cheaper. So yeah, price-wise, this is the best way to go. Now, I don't think it's as random though. I actually think there's a layout for the advent calendars. I don't have any of these minis, so this was the best way to go. The downside is, okay, good. Okay. Oh, they falling out, y'all. The downside is if you actually like the pink and purple casing that these products came in, then you don't get any of those. That sucks. But other than that, if you're just trying to collect some of the minis and save some money, that is literally why I did this. Let me just go ahead and say that I really want all the Sashas that are a part of Series 1 of these minis. I really want the Dylan. I want the car, the Rock Angels car. I really want the lip phone. So there's a couple items that I'm like, oh, please. Top left. Okay, so basically this is why I'm gonna assume that's sad. Okay, I can already see the second one. Okay, now I see why this was a couple dollars cheaper. It is very sad. Wow. I'm like, is there anything? What is this? Oh, this is the first small, like, top piece. Okay, Cameron. Okay. No box for Cameron, though. Okay, that's okay. And there's another one. Yasmin. So you get the first edition Cameron. And you get Wintertime Wonderland Yasmin. Let's continue.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Well, you guys, this has actually been an interesting review. I'm actually sad. Yeah, I'm legitimately sad. I was waiting for this. It's been maybe 2 weeks or so, more than a week for sure, that I placed this order and have actually been waiting for this so I can make this video, so I can get this out before Christmas, because this is like geared as a holiday item. Yeah, I'm about to call Amazon, email them. I'm about to report this because I'm missing 10 of the 25. And I truly don't even know if these are 15, the actual 15 of the 25 that was originally supposed to be in here. I really don't know. I'm like, what else am I missing? That was trifling. Okay, so my personal experience was horrible. If I opened this on Christmas, I would be so freaking sad at the first box that I opened. The first box that I opened was empty, and it's like, Then the second box that I opened was empty. It was given like, girl, they got you. They got you good. If you have the opportunity to get your hands on it, get your hands on it. Again, good for the price. I have mixed feelings right now. I'm actually sad. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Please follow me on everything. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, like literally everything Drew Galaxy. I've been posting so much makeup content that it is crazy. We're getting the doll content back out there as well. I just got my hair did, so we got some videos coming soon. I love you guys. I got a little bit of a runny nose, so I am so sorry you can hear me sounding like this, but I had to get this video out. Hopefully your outcome is better than mine. And talk to you later. Bye.